Hello friends and welcome to our channel Nurturemite.
Blood orange. This orange comes from Sicily, Italy. The fruit is very expensive because it grows only in certain places of Italy. The taste of this blood orange is like raspberry, a sweet sour taste with a strong flavor. Thus, the experts named this a blood orange. As it is the most delicious dessert in the world, this blood orange is available in winter around December to May. Blood orange has a hard skin and is hard to peel compared to other oranges. Benefits of blood orange: overcome scabies. Scabies can be treated with blood orange because of the vitamin C content in this orange. Vitamin C in this orange can also used to treat bleeding gums. Rich in antioxidants. The well-known antioxidant function is to fight free radicals that can cause cancer or damage to the blood vessels and organs in your body. Therefore, with the enormous amounts of antioxidants and vitamin C in this orange, our bodies can be protected from dangerous diseases. The results of the study also showed that anthocyanins can help the body fight off diseases caused by age. Undoubtedly, the anthocyanin content of the blood orange can help the body heal itself. Makes your bones strong. Calcium in the blood orange works well to keep bones healthy and strong. There are another ways to make your bones strong, that is exercise. In addition, wear bone can also be repaired by calcium. This benefit is very useful for all of us, especially for postmenopausal women and for people who are suffering from osteoporosis. Useful for pregnant women. Blood orange has a role in the formation of red blood cells. This benefit is needed by the fetus. Other things that can keep the fetus healthy is health benefits of chocolate during pregnancy for fetal growth. The formation of red blood cells is aided by the presence of folic acid, or known as vitamin B9, inside the blood orange. Other than that, blood orange can also increase hemoglobin in the body. A study also shows that folic acid can help the body fight some types of cancer and heart diseases. Benefits for the liver. Blood orange can help reduce fat in organs such as liver, pancreas, etc. This orange can also reduce belly fat. Therefore, blood orange can help improve the performance of organs and help the function of individual organs. It can also help detox the liver. Improves digestion. Blood orange is rich in fiber content. Fiber is needed for the body because it can help in the digestion and can make blood glucose levels in the body become normal. Wound healing faster. One of the antioxidant benefits of the blood orange is to help blood formation and help the coagulation process that is needed to heal wounds. In addition, it also serves to prevent injection of the wound. This is very beneficial for the people who are suffering from diabetes because it can prevent complications in the diabetic foot. Vitamin A for the eyes and body. One of the contents of blood orange is vitamin A. We know that vitamin A can help in maintaining certain tissue health such as retina, thus helping our eyes stay healthy. Benefits our skin. Besides the benefits for the eyes, vitamin A content in the blood orange is beneficial for our skin too. Cooperation between vitamin A and retinoids in the blood orange can make the skin look younger. Overcome infections. Indeed, our bodies get a lot of benefits from antioxidants and vitamin C. Besides the benefits we have discussed above, another benefit of antioxidants is to reduce the inflammation in the body. Thus, Vitamin C has a function to boost the body's immune to protect our body from getting easily affected by infection. Blood orange can help us avoid obesity. Blood orange has a lot of water content that can make us feel full quickly and make us full without lowering our energy level. So we can keep working without the need of a lot of caloric intake. So, by consuming blood orange, we can lose weight. And of course, by consuming it, we can avoid obesity that is usually caused by eating too much. Overcome headache. Another great benefit that is owned by blood orange is overcoming headaches. Blood orange can be a source of ingredients for making oil. The fragrance of oil of blood orange can be a good aromatherapy to relieve headaches and even migraines. By massaging it on the forehead, the blood orange oil can relax your mind and body. Heart disease. Research also showed that this blood orange can be our body's protector from carcinogens. In addition, according to nutrition experts, anthocyanin has anti-inflammatory properties that can affect collagen and also good to prevent cancer, diabetes and bacterial infections and reduce the risk of heart disease. Stop wrinkles on skin. Because of that, cooperation can help the skin to avoid the development of fine lines and wrinkles, which as a result make our skin stay healthy and glowing. For teeth health. In addition, the content of vitamin A is beneficial to keep our skin healthy and assist in the development of a routine network of skulls and teeth. Vitamin A is also beneficial during pregnancy.
To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.